Australia, 1932. The Great Emu War is in full swing. Not a war against another country, but a war against emus. Yes, you heard that right, emus. With a population explosion of these feathered foes, the Australian military had no choice but to deploy soldiers, armed not with rifles, but with machine guns. Picture soldiers in full kit, ready to combat birds. Now you'd think this would be a short and swift victory for the humans, right? But no, the emus proved to be formidable opponents, darting and weaving, evading the military's attempts. And the result? A comical failure. The emus won the war, leaving the military red-faced. Who would have thought? A war against emus, only in Australia. This is one for the history books, folks. The Great Emu War of 1932. A war not forgotten.